So this is your final. You're going to be coding something to match this scene as closely as possible. Now take notice of a couple different features. The ball is not just bouncing back and forth. It has a seemingly random pattern the way it bounces off the walls, but also take notice that it bounces off the walls. It has limits. It has an X and Y limit. It also has a random color variable for the color of the circle or the ball bouncing. And there's one more feature that is extra credit if you're able to figure it out. And that is, if you press the mouse button down, it changes the background. And it changes the background to a random color as well. The print statement that goes below is optional. I only have it there to demonstrate that that is the event that is being triggered when I press the mouse button down. So, this is your final. I know you can do it. Ready, set, go.